Why is our sink leaking?
I don't know. Let's go to CPV and see if they can help.
Why is my sink not working?
Your valve's probably leaking.
What is a valve?
A valve is something that regulates flow of material, whether it be liquid or gas.
It all starts here with these rods of raw materials. These materials then get processed in highly accurate water jets in the valve parts as you see here. All the scrap materials from this step are recycled into raw materials. Then, all individual parts go through precise quality inspection.
One finds porosity in a casting, so there's little bubbles that occur within the metal itself. They would call that out. We can't sell that to someone. It might not hold pressure. It might explode out in the field.
After all the parts are thoroughly inspected and determined to be precise enough, they assemble the valves. The valves are then extensively cleaned as the smallest speck of dust or slight imperfection could cause a fire, and then they are inspected.
What we do is we look at the sample of that lot, and statistically speaking, if I look at 3 of them, I'm probably going to find an issue if it exists.
Right after they are inspected, they are tested with helium, nitrogen, and molecules. After this, they get shipped out to the customers.
So we have a few different ways. There is bubble wrap. There is variety sizes of bubble bags. We have a brown paper filling. We have smaller boxes that go inside bigger boxes. You just make sure that the product does not weigh up too much.
After that, the valves are packaged and sent off to various companies such as the U.S. Navy and Lindy. Valves are used everywhere, and here are some examples of what valves are used for.
Just about everything we purchase, valves are used.
I think we all like plumbing and toilets and things that are very necessary to have.
I understand that they're vital for like ship, steam plants, and gases and water.
Wow, it worked. Thanks, CPV.